the 150mm combination square. Okay, this combination square is a great tool. To use it, we basically use this part here called the stock, and that goes up against the side of a piece of wood and allows us to draw a straight line. We can also use it the other way around and use this side. So I put that against the wood like that. Now I can draw 45-degree lines like so. You can also use it if we unscrew this little screw here just a little bit, like, you know, half a turn, then I can set how far out this little bit sticks here. So let's say I wanted to measure 20mm. Got 20mm against the stock here, make sure it's lined up, and then tighten the little screw. Now that is really handy if I wanted to mark a line 20mm in from the edge. I can just put my pencil here, pull it backwards like this, and have a line 20mm in from the edge. So let's say I wanted a screw to be 20mm in from this and 20mm in from this. I can just put it here, make a line here, turn it on the end like so, and make a line there. And that point there is exactly 20mm in from both edges. We've also got a level in there as well, a little spirit level if you wanted to use it. I've never really used it for this, but just so you know, that's what it's for. And then underneath here, if I unscrew this bit at the back, there's a little spiky bit here. This is good if you want to mark on metal and you want to scratch stuff. Not so great for wood, but you can, here we go, scratch things like that into the wood. Okay, one final thing to show you on this is if we pull the ruler part right back in, then we can use it like we would a normal square. This here now is 90 degrees going across there. So you could use it to check if a box is square or something of that nature. So I honestly think this is one of the most important tools you can own for woodwork. So that is the combination square. This is such an essential tool. You're going to want this in your pocket all the time. Get used to using it for absolutely everything. Check, check, and check again. It will really help you to build things that are actually square and go together really easily.